Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. MashaAllah, today is a magnificent milestone. 200 consecutive runs out of 366. Takbir! Alhamdulillah, another 166 to go, inshallah.
Alhamdulillah, the big 200 today, mashallah. What everybody joined us. Alhamdulillah. Sajjad Bhai from the Sajjad Foundation. Ahmad bin mashallah, here to support us today. Alhamdulillah from Rothschild. Themselves. Mashallah.
Please support these brothers. Mashallah. Remember them in your du'as. Donate where you can, share the message. Support them by coming out and running.
Alhamdulillah. We made a pledge at the beginning of the year, running 10k every day, and we're going to keep going, inshallah. We need your du'as.
You are not seeing double vision. This is another person. This is another bite. Yeah, you're not seeing double. You just give them a day. Give them his all, inshallah. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
These guys are making a massive effort. They've just gone past the 2,000 kilometers mark. 10k every day. It's not an easy feat. SubhanAllah. Please support.
Answer Ali, ESGN UK. Quick message. 200 run today.
Unfortunately, I can't run, so we need you guys to.
Inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Day 200 completed, subhanallah. That's over 2,000 kilometers. Another 166 days to go. Takbir. May Allah accept every step that we take. May Allah make it easy for the brothers and sisters in Palestine, in particular Gaza and around the world. Keep us in your du'as. May Allah keep our intention for His pleasure and His pleasure alone, inshallah.